a girl named Maria who lived in a small village. She loved spending time playing with her Barbie dolls, especially with her cousin Joanna. They spent hours together creating elaborate stories and adventures for their dolls, building castles out of blankets, having tea parties with tiny cups and saucers. One day, while they were playing, Joanna accidentally dropped Maria's favorite Barbie doll, the one with the sparkly pink dress. The doll broke in two. Maria's eyes filled with tears. She loved the Barbie more than any other. Joanna looked down at the broken pieces, her face filled with guilt and sadness. She hadn't meant to break it. It had simply slipped from her hands. But Maria, seeing Joanna's guilt, Maria quickly wiped her tears. She remembered all the fun they had together, how much their friendship meant to her. This broken doll, she realized, was less important than their bond. "It's okay, Joanna," she said softly. "We can fix her. And maybe we can even give her a cool battle scar." Joanna's face brightened. Together, they carefully gathered the pieces of the broken Barbie doll using the strong glue from the kitchen. And a lot of imagination, they carefully fixed the doll. It wasn't perfect. A small scar remained where the doll had broken. But to Maria and Joanna, their Barbie was whole again. They even decided the scar was the mark of bravery, a reminder of a great adventure. That night, they played with their fixed Barbie doll, creating new exciting adventures for their brave, slightly scared hero. Their laughter filling the quiet village, the broken Barbie became a symbol of their strong bond, a reminder that even broken things can fix, and that friendship is stronger than any toy.